Kentucky's House has just passed a second state income tax cut for the year. The vote along party lines came after some heated debate. WLKY's Mark Vanderhoff is at the state capitol to explain the controversy.
Republicans say this tax cut will be a boost to every Kentucky family, but Democrats say the benefit will be small and could come at a great cost.
To those of us that have been fighting, it's a glorious day.
House Bill 1 would lower Kentucky's personal income tax from 4.5% to 4%, part of a strategy to eventually eliminate income tax. But not everyone says that's a good thing.
The richest 1% with an average salary of $1.4 million will have a tax cut of over $11,000, while the middle 20% of earners, those earning around $50,000 a year, would only see a tax cut of about $5 a week. So, you know, a big cup of coffee.
To pay for the loss of the income tax, the GOP expanded the state's 6% sales tax to services previously not taxed, such as gym memberships.
Middle-income families like mine will get an income tax reduction of about $300. Guess how much we're going to pay in summer camp tax, which was added by the legislature this year in an attempt to offset these tax cuts for the rich. $300. Huh.
Democrats worry about budget cuts to services like education if a recession hits and sales tax collections plummet.
We are meeting the needs of the Commonwealth of Kentucky, and we're doing a great job at it. And I know since 2017, we're putting epic reforms in that now we're reaping the benefits.
Republicans say the shift from income tax to sales tax will lead to more economic activity and investment.
We're reaping the harvest where others 100 years prior to that just talked the talk with blue ribbon meetings, but never made the hard decisions, was never the adults in the room, Mr. Speaker. Now the adults are in the room.
The bill now goes to the Senate, but after Friday, lawmakers will be taking a break for the rest of the month, so the Senate is expected to vote on it as soon as they return in February. In Frankfort, Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.